Would you like to learn how to make some delicious Southern style mac and cheese the low carb way?
You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
So I've been on a mission here lately trying to unbig my back. And I'm down 30 pounds doing keto. Go me. So you know my greedy tail had to find me a good old keto hack to get my mac and cheese in, chow. And this protein pasta here did not disappoint. It's pasta actually made out of beans, lupin beans. And it was really pretty good. I was actually really surprised. I got it from Amazon. It was $12 a bag, so kind of pricey.
On the package of this low carb pasta, it says to boil it for 8 minutes. And usually when I make regular pasta, I boil it for less time, about 5 minutes or so, because I know I'm gonna bake it and I don't want the pasta to be too mushy. But this pasta substitute, I realized that you can boil it for the full 8 minutes and it'll still be kind of firm. It'll still be like kind of al dente. So boil the pasta for the full 8 minutes, even though it's gonna bake later.
The exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. I love to add some chicken bouillon powder to the water when I boil my pasta for my mac and cheese because it adds great flavor.
Whenever you're boiling water for your pasta, even regular pasta too, you don't have to put oil in the water. All you have to do to prevent it from sticking is to stir the pasta frequently. The reason you don't want to put oil in the water is because the oil prevents the cheese sauce from sticking to the pasta. So that's why you don't want to do it. After you finish boiling the macaroni, don't rinse it off. Let the starch stay on the macaroni because that helps the cheese sauce to stick nicely.
Now I'm going to get that macaroni into a big dish so that I can mix well. And then I'm going to add in my secret ingredient, which is bacon grease. You don't have to add as much as her though. Obviously, she wants her back to stay big. By the way, this is the exact same recipe that I use to make regular macaroni and cheese. The only difference is the type of pasta.
Back in the days when I made mac and cheese, I used to always use a roux, just like everybody else, until I realized that you don't have to. Work smarter, not harder, beloved. I found out that when you combine all the cheese and the milk and everything all together in one pan, it's all gonna mix up and marry anyway, and it comes out perfectly fine. Whenever you make mac and cheese, I'm sorry, but it's best to grate your own cheese. The grated cheese that comes in a bag is not good because they add stuff to it so that it won't stick together, anti-caking stuff, and that stuff is made with wood pulp. No, thank you.
It only took me about 5 to 6 minutes to grate me up some cheddar, Kobe Jack, Parmesan, and mozzarella cheese, chow. Stop being lazy. Or, hey, enjoy you some wood pulp. Now I'm gonna add in some sour cream. Next, I'm going in with some whole milk as well as some heavy whipping cream. And then I'm gonna add in some eggs.
My secret ingredient to my mac and cheese is to add some shallots. You can thank me later. But you just gotta make sure that you dice it and chop it up real fine. Because of course, don't nobody wanna be chomping down on no big chunks of onions in mac and cheese. So you have to make sure that you chop it real fine. And if you don't have a shallot, you can't use the onion. Just make sure that it's chopped fine.
After the shallots, I'm gonna season up the mac and cheese with some ASIL, which is my own all-purpose seasoning. You can grab you some with the link pinned in the comments section. But if you don't have it, just use some seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. That's one of my biggest pet peeves, when y'all don't be seasoning that mac and cheese. It be needing that seasoning, boo-boo. So taste it here and see if you need to add more seasoning or not. And no, a little egg ain't gonna hurt you. Now I preheated my oven to 350 and I got the mac and cheese into a baking dish. And now I'm gonna sprinkle some sharp cheddar cheese on the top. And now I'm gonna bake the mac and cheese at 350 for about 30 minutes uncovered. And then after that, it's done.
Lisa D Delight.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will all the time. You should already be able to tell that this mac and cheese was the bomb.com. Stop playing with me. That's how I got my title. Best mac and cheese maker in the business. Okay. The protein pasta was actually pretty good. Like once it's mixed up with all the cheese and everything else, you really can't even tell the difference. I was really pleasantly surprised.
I hope you try and like the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
These peas, you got recipes. Damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. Damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.